Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about the symbols in HTML. How can we use the symbols in HTML? Alright, so symbols that are not present on your keyword can be added by using entities. In the last video we have learned about the entities, so as I can be assured that you guys have the idea of the entities, we can use the symbols by using entities. All right, you can use the entity name or the entity number, and in entity number you can either give a decimal number or you can also use the hexadecimal reference for the symbol. All right, let's just go to the editor and see how can we use the symbol with the help of entities. In this example I will only be using entities for $sign, so I will just give you an example with that and then give you a link where you can get the list of different entities for the symbols. All right, so let's just do this. Paragraph. Now let me just use the sign. This is our entity value. Let me just copy this thing, copy, paste, and copy again. All right, let me just save this file, okay, and run it again. So you can see we got the symbol of the euro by using its entity. So this is how we use the symbols, and don't worry, I will give you the reference where you can get all of the different symbols and their entities. So this is all for this video. If you really find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.